okay? Just for a minute. I stole Laura's phone to give you guys information. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ubud, Bali. We're actually just north of Ubud now. Yeah, we just got to our new place. Check this room out. We got this really soft bed with mosquito nets around it. We got a little TV action going on. But the best thing is the views out the window here. And we got our own balcony. Bring us tea?
Yeah.
Tea and coffee, thank you.
Oh, did I hear something?
Like I was saying, guys, we got this beautiful balcony. And a nice little spot to have drinks out here. This is so nice. And then check out this view out here. This is so picturesque. Beautiful, thank you. Suksama. Then we got the bathroom over here. Toilet, shower, water heater, and sink and stuff. So the place we're staying at is called Ubud Sawa Scenery Villa. It's really beautiful. And I think this room is 19 euro a night, Laura? Is that it?
I think less, yeah.
Maybe 17 euro a night. And we get breakfast in the morning. We're gonna be up here for a couple days, so come on with us. What's that?
It's supposed to be 12,000.
12,000? That's less than $1 US. Guys, we just drove over to this vegetarian restaurant. And it was such a beautiful drive coming over here. The lady here doesn't speak much English, so she's just like, two, and we gave her our food preferences, and she's making us some food, so we'll see. And it's only 12 ringgit, hopefully. That was so quick. What do we got?
Apparently tofu and soy and bean stuff.
Okay, that kind of looks seaweedish a little bit. I don't know.
No meat and no
It's a little
eggs.
green. No meat, no eggs, hopefully no dairy. Do the best we can. Right, sweetie? This looks super good, guys. Let's give it a go. Looks like some corn and tofu. Get a little rice. It is really tasty. It looks like there's some sort of tofu stick with peanut sauce on it, is what it looks like. Mm-hmm. Peanut sauce is so good. Okay, time to eat. Lara, what are your thoughts?
I like the different flavors.
Mm-hmm.
Like some are salty, some are hot.
And you like it hot, don't you?
I like it salty.
Stay with you? Yeah, do about 24.
Very good.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Suksama.
Suksama Wali.
There's some sort of ceremony going on, led by cops. They're playing instruments, and they're all dressed up. So I was feeling like just going on a spontaneous adventure, so we started driving down the road where we didn't know what was ahead. And waterfall, baby! We saw this being advertised for a while, so we've been driving down these beautiful roads. Like, look how well the roads are. The infrastructure here is really, really nice. Like, this is just like, in my opinion, like back kind of country towns, and the roads are all beautiful. So let's go explore this waterfall. Got up to the entrance area and it's 10,000 rupiah per person. That is huge. Wow, this is so nice. Not that I wouldn't mind a dirt trail, but this is nice. There's my dirt trail.
Fine and new because there's like a homemade bridge down there as well.
Is there?
Like with
Yeah,
the-
this looks very new.
It looks well maintained though.
Oh yeah, this is more my cup of tea. This is beautiful. I hear water.
It's getting hotter, isn't it?
Huh? Yeah, a little bit. We're in the vegetation. It's getting really loud. These guys just came out of nowhere.
Those are for
That's that one guy, isn't it? Hi, doggos. Hey, buddy. Who's this guy? It is beautiful down here. So, message for you guys. If you're ever feeling like going on a spontaneous adventure, you might just end up at a beautiful waterfall like this, because we had no idea that this was here, and it was just really spectacular. And the entry fee was only 10,000 rupiah, so less than about 80 US cents a piece. So, what do you rate it, Lara? Thumbs up or down?
like that. No, I'm kidding.
Easy rating, thumbs up. So we've just been driving once again, and there's been so many beautiful views. This probably isn't the best spot to do the update, but there's just been really nice infrastructure on the roads, like seeing the workers in the rice fields, everyone's smiling and waving, kids are yelling hello. I was telling Laura, it kind of feels like we're in a different dimension, like one where, I don't know, maybe not as advanced, but people are happy and content. I guess that's just Bali, baby. We stopped off in what we thought was a supermarket, which we were really excited about because the ones in Canggu were so good, but it's actually just like a really large corner store. But they do have some pretty interesting things, like they got a 3-pack of matcha tea here. It seems way too big for just 3, but they also have a taro root version of it. I can't tell if there's extra stuff added to it though, because it's just in Indonesian. But then we're just grabbing some actual green tea and some insect repellent and a little snack. The rain is so nice right now. It's really cool inside the house, and it just sounds so beautiful. Very, very therapeutic. We just ordered some supper, so we got some tempeh nasi coming. Nasi is rice in Indonesian. And now it's time to chill and enjoy ourselves. There's a cat sitting right here. Uh-oh. First official outro missed of the trip. We'll see how many more of those I get to. But it's the next morning. I didn't think I was gonna be able to make yesterday's video into a single vlog. I didn't think we were gonna get up to enough. But with finding the waterfall and all that, I do think I'm gonna end the vlog here. But thanks so much for watching the video today. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you're at. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and we will catch you back here for the next one. Peace, Pikeys. You! Yum. Kind of like a jelly bean.